Chief Legal Presidential Counsel, Attorney Ana Liza Logan. Senior Deputy Executive Secretary, Attorney Maria Luwalhati Alu, C. Dorotan Tioseco. Deputy Executive Secretary for General Administration, Attorney Daniel Marie Rieza Kulangin. Deputy Executive Secretary for Financial Affairs, Attorney Joseph Irvin A. Obenza. Deputy Executive Secretary for Legal Affairs, Attorney Jess Hermogenes Andres. Undersecretary for Economic Affairs, OES, Attorney Erwin Santa Ana. Assistant Secretary, OES, Attorney Alemar Mosquito. So yan po ang mga bagong appointments na sa atin ay ibinigay.